Welcome, noble prince.
Thank you, but I must continue. No, you're not the one. Will I ever find her? Father! Mother! The enemy is near!
We must fortify the gates.
How close are they?
Please, I seek shelter!
Enter, young prince.
Thank you.
Father, I must enter.
In this storm, it's madness.
I am ready. Let me pass.
Very well. Be safe. How did you sleep, my dear?
I slept wonderfully, thank you.
I scarcely closed my eyes all night. I feel so uncomfortable and tired.
My beloved, I take you as my wife.
And I you, my prince, forever.
Our happy ending. Behold, the legendary pea.
It's so perfect.
A true royal treasure.
And this, mind you, is a real story. Our happily ever after.
Forever and always.